Wilson family.
Now we gotta take a tour. I'm taking my sweater off. It smells really good in here.
Yeah.
So good in here. Nice. It's beautiful. It is a shower. It's a tub.
It's a combo.
The boat. Nice. Look at those doors. They just recently refurbished these. We get the nice soap, the Disney H2O. You could take a bubble bath if you want to. Ironing board, blow dryer, mini closet, and a pull down is that called a recumbent bed? What's that called?
Recumbent bike.
Let's try this.
Whoa!
Oh, watch the chair, Tay. Watch the chair. Oh, look at the Daffy Duck! Look, Taylor! Oh, my Lanta! Look! It's so cute! Oh, we got the Joffreys. Coffee maker. Trinkets for my trinket!
Little gits and gizmos.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Bada bing. Bada boom. Taylor, we're in Disney World.
So, imagine a coconut milk slushie. That's what it tastes like.
Coconut milk slushie.
Yeah, you try the green one. Don't like the green one.
Okay.
What you think? Now, do a wraparound. I like the blue one. The blue one's pretty good. Yeah. We go do a wraparound. You just like, what if you just? Can you do the wraparound? What if you just? We go do wraparound.
Hey, where are we going?
We're going to the sunrise yoga.
The MK. MK for yoga. What time is it? It is 3:06.
3:06 a.m.
Always remember that if you keep on believing, the dream that you wish will come true. Thank you, my dear. Your fairy godmother wishes you all a triumphant, magical storybook reading that ends with happily ever after.
Thoughts on the yoga?
Super fun.
Super fun.
Super energizing.
So good. It was so good. It was great. It was so
Namaste.
peaceful. You should feel the weather out
Divinity
here.
in me is
It's
divinity in
cool.
you.
It's like, what, 60 some?
It's like 67.
67 degrees.
Yeah.
Feels fabulous. The sun's coming up.
Beautiful.
So we got the, what is this even called? Nutella waffle? Fruit waffle?
We'll just call it that.
At Sleepy Hollow.
Sleepy Hollow.
Iced mocha latte. You gotta bring the koozie.
Oh, let me see
$12.99, folks.
$12.99.
Shout
I had to
out.
go get our race shirts at the Visa building
Yeah.
at the ESPN Wide World Sports. Let's hit it. Look at the light in the wall.
It's a race. It's a race morning.
We're going to the 5K. Princess Mia Thermobolist.
And you got Lilo from Lilo and Stitch.
Figment in the green finger guy. The green guy. Dreamy. Mix. Dreamer.
Did it! How did your first 5K feel?
It was fun. It was really fun.
Was there any part that you were like, oh no?
Just the humidity. I can't do the
it's way
humidity.
back here. Oh, he's so cute! Look at him! Oh, he's beautiful!
Elsa wants to give us all some fun. She's making everyone a snowy summer day. Outgoing, and it will be so beautiful. See you there.
Oh my god! got a set of the mystery pins from the Avatar store.
Okay.
Let's see what
You
we
get
got.
2 pins in there.
Let's see what we got.
We'll show the options on the front.
Those are all the options.
All right.
8 different options, and I
You know
have
what?
2.
I like that one, and I like that one.
I'm hoping for this one.
Okay.
At least one of them.
Ooh.
That's not nice. See what we got. Oh, that's pretty.
That's pretty.
Pretty
Put it in your
blue.
bag.
All life is connected.
Nice.
That's pretty deep.
Weird.
That's the ride we're about to go do.
Pretty. You're gonna love it, by the way. It's around the same size.